This is Jane. Jane's front door key has broken in the lock, and she can't get into the house. It's late in the evening, and Jane's panicking because she's wondering how she'll get help at this time of day. Thankfully, Jane remembered she had put the number of an emergency locksmith in her mobile phone, just in case. The locksmith came out straight away and was able to get Jane into the house and repair the defective lock that same evening. Jane was so relieved that she could sleep securely that night, and now she knows just what a locksmith can do for her. She's getting all the locks looked at to prevent any further problems in the future. So if you have a key-related emergency, make sure you have the number of an emergency locksmith in your phone, because you never know when you might need it.